Let us continue our chapter. We are doing the negative effect of the urbanization. We also seen the steps which is taken by the local level to keep the urban area clean. Now we will see the 3R. See, very nice diagram was given there. The 3R. The 3R was given here. It is very important to keep our city clean by using this 3R. The 3R is, what is the 3R? It means reduce, reuse and recycle. Reduce. First of all, we'll see the reduce. If the waste was generated less, reduced. If the waste is reduced, then naturally the city will be clean. How we can reduce the waste? Take example now, party and functions. What we do, we use the plates, fabric plates, which is once used and it was thrown. A lot of garbage was created after the party and functions. Now in place of that plastic plates, if the metal plate is used, it can be cleaned and it can be used again and again. If it is used again and again, naturally the waste is reduced. The waste which is generated will be reduced. Similarly, many examples are there. Like in the place of paper napkin, if we use the cloth napkin can be washed and it can be used again and again. What we are doing? We are reducing the waste. So this is how, if we reduce the waste material, automatically what we are doing? We are reducing the waste. So this things can be done. Similarly, in the place of plastic bag or the paper bag, if we use a cloth bag, it is very durable, it will be long lasting, and also it can be washed and again and again and again. So this is how we are reducing the waste material. You can, the small children also, the leftover pages of the previous classes, that pages can be used as a rough work for the next class. So there, what we are doing, we are reducing the waste which is generated in that place. So the first one is known as a reduction of the waste, reduce of the waste. Second one is a reuse. The things we can buy, only the thing which we are using, which we are in the need. It is not simply we having a money so we can buy anything. We can reuse again and again. We can reuse it, like the small example, you take the school bag, the school shoes. You can take, it can be used again and again by simply repair. We can repair that, small repair can be done, and in place of throwing that bag and boots, it can be repaired and it can be used again. So this, what we are doing, we are reusing the things we are using. Similarly, the pen which we use, once we write and we throw the pen. In place of that, we can buy a refill and we can use that pen again and again. When we are doing so, what we are doing, we are reducing the waste material which can be not done. So we are using reuse can reduce the waste material. We should buy anything very properly and the thing which can be reused again and again, and this is how we are reducing the waste material of any piece. Now third one is a recycle. After the using of a things, like I had given example of a bottle, we can use again and again a bottle. A time comes when the bottle start leaking or the bottle was damaged, then this bottle can be recycled. Plastic can be easily recycled, so it can be given to the recyclable item. Similarly, the paper also, after the completing of your copy, completing of your session, the book in copies can be given to the recycling. In place of throwing in the dustbin, this can be collected separately and it can be given so that it can recycle. When it will be recycled, what will happen? We will reduce this waste material. So these are we can do many other things like recycling. The paper I had given example. Similarly, the old clothes which we throw, it can be collected, it can be used as a cushions, doll, many articles. Now these days, many articles handicraft was made with the garbages. All these things can be done, so they are recycling. when we are recycling the waste material, we are also reducing the waste. Reduction of a waste is very important, because when we are reducing the waste material, then what happens? The garbage which is collected will be reduced and our city will be also clean. So keep it in the mind, this 3R, the 3R's: reduction, reuse and recycle. By this 3R, what we are doing, we are limiting our garbage, because once a garbage was created, the dumping of a garbage is also one of the major problem these days. The garbage in the olden days, what happened? The garbage was kept at the corner of the city. Population was less, and naturally the garbage was decomposed in the nature. But now we are having many toxic waste which does not very easily decompose in the nature. So that is one of the biggest problem. So the 3R can be used, 3R can be adopted, and by using of the 3R, what we are doing, we are reducing the waste, and this is how we are also helping to keep our city clean. The next topic we will do in the next video. Thank you.